Talking to you about today are diatonic 7 chords, specifically other diatonic 7 chords. I'm quite sure you guys are familiar with 2/7, 5/7, 7/7, and the way that they function and how they're approached and how you lead them as far as part writing and things like that are concerned. But specifically, what I'm going to be focused on today, in general, or 3, 4, and 6, 7. All right. And the one thing that you need to know in general about these 3 chords is that when they normally occur, they occur in sequence more often than not. And what I mean when I say a sequence, I'm talking about the circular fifth sequence. Okay? 3 going to 6, 6 going to 2, 2 going to 5, 5 going to 1. Let's see if we can write this out. You guys can see this. Talking about movement right here, and of course underneath here we have 2. Of course we have half diminished in minor key. Here we have 7. This is basic group movement. I don't know if you guys are familiar with these.
Yeah, we've been doing that.
For those of you basic TSDT moves, and when you're looking at specifically, and here 3 is not in here, but we're talking about 4 and 6 and 3 also. 3s almost hardly ever really occur in the literature as far as a standalone occurrence. It's always being approached by circular fifth moves or going to the 6 or whatever. So that's just, who knows why it is that way, but Bach didn't do it, so we don't do it either. But let's look at diatonic 7 chords, and I think instead of doing this, let's go ahead and get into some examples, because Mrs. did a really good job earlier of getting you guys to spell out those diatonic 7 chords in the keys. So let's get into some examples and really start to do some work. And I'm gonna get some of you guys to come up, maybe 2 or 3 of you at a time, actually, to come in and provide us with some answers, some solutions for both the part writing and the analysis. And I'm going to be dealing specifically with the way that these chords are resolved and the way that they are approached. Okay, and remember, when we're talking about 3, 4, and 6, we're talking about circular fifths. Okay? And so right here, what key are we in right here? A flat. If I was in the minor key, what key would it be then? Oh, okay. I'm just checking. All right, so we're in the key of A flat major, right? And I'm going to give you guys bass. All right? And, well, actually, I'm going to give you bass and a soprano. How about that? I'll give you the chord. And I'll give you the version here. Alright. And Shadi,
Is that 4?
yeah, 4-2.
On C?
It's a 4-4-2. In A flat. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. Shadi, in the back there. My man, what's your name?
Jonah.
Jonah, and the lovely young lady sitting right next to you. What's your name, dog?
Janae.
Let me get the three of you all to come up here and put your hands together for a second and see if you can figure out the part writing, and also give me a Roman numeral analysis for these chords that I've only given the figure base for. So you can kind of shuffle on up here. I don't know how many pieces of chalk there are. You guys don't have to wait in line. All right. Now you guys be thinking about the answers to these questions while you see.
Did you doubt me? Ow!
Okay, you guys got the Roman numeral analysis. Well, before you put that circle up there for the minute sign, you have to do the part writing first, because we don't know whether it's going to be half or fully diminished.
You're right. Oh, snap.
Ouch.
So right. Yeah. Okay.
All right.
I say. What do you say? I'm not putting there. Like that.
All right. Yep.
Yeah, it's not the same.
Wait, do you want this?
Yeah, that's an A.
What? No, it's
Right.
not. This is an E.